Welcome back to Talk of the Town, everyone. Brandon Brown has joined us. He is an agent with Hilton Head Insurance and Brokerage. Brandon, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
About to be new dad.
That's right.
Yes, has a little girl. It's going to be
girl.
born in February, so congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Let's talk about your company. And you said you've been with them about a little over 4 years. So,
yeah, it'll be about 4 years in June. Hilton Head Insurance and Brokerage started about 8 years ago. Jeffrey Hedden and Gary Davis have been around since then. I know Gary was actually born in Ridgeland, so he's been here for a long time, but they started it from the ground up, and we're a small family knit company. We got about 9 people.
Okay.
There are 3 other agents in our office other than them, and then we have a fantastic front office in Renee and Anna Grace and our office manager Lauren Albrecht, and they definitely help us as far as getting us going and helping us do what we need to do.
So you are located on Hilton Head.
Yes, ma'am.
Right,
we're actually
good.
at 1000 William Hilton Parkway, Suite J13, over at Wexford Village.
Good. And so let's talk about the different types of insurance that
Sure.
you all provide. So kind of tell our viewers what you all
absolutely.
offer.
So we do mainly our homeowners and auto insurance, but we also do golf cart, RV, basically any personal lines. But we also have some commercial opportunities as well. If somebody owns a business and wants to get a commercial quote, we do that as well. And then flood insurance obviously is a big thing in our area. So
Yeah, let's talk specifically about flood.
Okay.
I moved here from Greenville and didn't realize
Yeah.
that I was going to have to pay the extra flood
Of
insurance.
course.
And I think a lot of people don't understand that. So who really has to pay for it? If you're just right close to the water or what?
it depends on what zone you're in.
Okay.
And obviously if you have a mortgage, if you're in a specific zone, if it starts with an A, or anything other than X, you pretty much have to get flood insurance if you have a mortgage. If you don't have a mortgage, you don't have to get flood insurance at all. It's basically just a personal decision. But we also help as far as getting flood elevation certificates and things like that. We work with different companies to help get those as well.
Right.
And with flood being such a big deal in this area, it can be tough. It can be tough on finances as well as just making sure that your home is taken care of.
And should you maybe get bids or quotes from different insurance companies, or how do you do that?
When it comes to federal government stuff with flood through FEMA, the prices are pretty much going to be the same.
Okay.
So it really doesn't matter which company you go through, because it'll always be the same as long as people are putting it in the system the correct way. So we can definitely quote it out with private markets if we need to, because the premium can sometimes be really expensive with the government. So we have options to do private markets and things like that can kind of help, save some money. We always want to try to help people save some money, of course, but also just get the right coverage.
And so, Brandon, there are multiple insurance companies in this area. What makes Hilton Head Insurance and Brokerage unique and special? Why? Share with our viewers why we might want to come to you.
Sure. Like I said earlier, we're a small family knit company. If you have problems, you come straight to us. We're not going to send you out to a third-party company. You're not going to get some automated voice system or anything like that. You can get straight to myself or any other agent in our office, as well as our front office. And we have our office manager and then 2 other ladies that work in the front office. So you can get us anytime. And our phone number is 843-252-0840, and it'll lead you to whoever you need to get to.
So you have that personalized
That's right.
experience. You're really more like a family.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely, and that's kind of what we thrive on as well, is being as close to our clients as we possibly can. So.
Very good. You said you had a couple of shout-outs you want to share with our viewers.
Well, I want to thank Jessica Kirk for obviously inviting us to come on, and then our B&I group that is on Thursday mornings at 7:30 over at Rendezvous, which is right next to our bar in Bluffton. So if anybody wants to come visit, please do. We are always welcome to more visitors, and you won't be disappointed. And then if you watch this segment, then you'll know Jimbo Buser. He does works at or he owns Sports Addiction as well as Bike Barn. So if you need any bike rentals or bike renovations, anything, he does it all, and you won't be disappointed. So.
Great job. You'll appreciate that.
Yeah. He better.
Brandon Brown with Hilton Head Insurance and Brokerage. Nice to meet you, and
Nice
Happy
to meet you
New
as well.
Year.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes. We'll be right back with Talk of the Town. Don't go away, everyone.